Good morning. Thank you sa mga nag-alala sa akin. At nag-video lang ako ngayon, kahit short lang ito, just to assure you that I'm okay. Mataas ang blood pressure ko kagabi, pero it stabilized naman. And alam nyo naman ako, hindi naman ako nagagalit kung hindi talagang sukdulan yung injustice or mali, di ba? Si BBM nga, di ba? Tumayo ako doon sa cathedral at talagang speech ako doon na halos walang pahinga na. Banat talaga. Ito, hindi naman pwedeng palampasin yun pag ilaalipusta ka na. Dinidefend ko nga yung ibang tao pag ginaganon sila, sarili ko pa kaya. Sabihan ba naman niya ako sa Rockwell Mall na you're coughing, you should give the mall, you should stay at home. Ha? Doon yun nagsimula. Saka ang dami kong kilala doon sa Rockwell Mall. Nakapaligid doon yung mga residents doon. Kilala ko yan sila, kilala nila ako. Isa pa nga, sinabi pa siya sa akin nung pinuntahan ko siya, I'm sorry sir for the commotion. Sabi nga niya, Miss Gonson, gumanon pa nga. Ibig sabihin, napahiya talaga ako doon sa ginawa ng taong yun. Sabihan ka ba naman, don't you have money to buy a mask? Bawal pala sa kanya kahit umubo ka lang minsan. Kahit nasa public ka, Rockwell Mall ka. Ano yung mga tao doon? They're very courteous, ha? We say hello to each other, familiar faces. Obviously, hindi siya taga doon. Later we found out, hindi talaga sila taga doon. Kasi nung nasa police station na sila, syempre may mga ID na sila. Nagreklamo po talaga ako sa police and filed the case for unjust fixation and grave oral defamation last night. Kahit gabing-gabi na I wasn't feeling well and I'm tired and I had no dinner. So I ate one mushroom pie and a bottle of water. But I'm okay now. I want to just to let you know that I'm okay. I'm just resting today. Ako tomorrow out of town pa ako to give a speech to the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants. And please watch my video in PGMN, Peanut Gallery Media Network, and subscribe to my YouTube, Queen of Bardagulan. Kasi those are yan sa YouTube ko po. I will post my full video telling you what happened. Kasi many people naman na kontra sa akin, they're taking advantage of this to malign me. Pinapaalala ko lang po sa tumuha ng video na bawal po talaga sa batas yun, kaya pinagbabawal yun sa Rockwell Mall. You have violated my right to privacy and that is a criminal offense. Kaya sana po pag nakita nyo yung video ko later, maybe later this afternoon, ay mas makita nyo yung buong katotohanan and story, and you can comment and if you like to defend me in any Facebook post. Thank you very much. I'm okay. I'll just rest today. I'll stay home and rest today. I'm monitoring my blood pressure the whole day, but I'm feeling okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. To all those of you who are concerned for me and supporting me and who love me. Thank you.